So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add tables on a Pages document here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, go to the top bar here and press on the purple square. Now right now I'm on the Shapes icon, so for example if you're on the Discover page right here, I want you to slide this bar to the right to the second last option, which is the tables and charts page right here. So if you want to add a table, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that the tables tab is selected. You can go ahead and just browse a bunch of different tables. So for example, if you wanted to add this table right here, you can go ahead and add it. You can also go ahead and increase the number of rows. You can increase or decrease the number of columns, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead, you can type in it, do what you got to do. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But that is how to add a table or how to add tables to your design here on Pages using the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.